Janet Yellen has made history after being sworn in to a term as head of the US Central Bank, succeeding Ben Bernanke and becoming the first woman in the 100-year history to become the head of the Federal Reserve.
She is a proven leader, and she's tough, not just because she's from Brooklyn. Janet is exceptionally well qualified for this role. She's served in leadership positions at the Fed for more than a decade.
Yellen, who hails from a Jewish Brooklyn family, will face a wide variety of challenges during her 4-year term, according to economists.
We are going to continue to see what we've seen already. Janet Yellen will likely be a little bit softer on monetary policy, more inclined to print money. She'll likely keep interest rates, the short-term rate, the policy rate, at near zero longer than Bernanke would have. If the economy doesn't start turning south, we should just get out of it because it's putting too much liquidity into the world and too many people are becoming too dependent on cheap money.
Last week, during Bernanke's last meeting as chairman, the Fed announced a second $10 billion reduction in bond buying with the aim of gradually exiting from the current quantitative easing policy.
What's happening is what we expected. The dollar is strengthening, stock prices and bond prices are falling in emerging markets, but this is a necessary adjustment. People in that part of the world, as in the U.S. housing market, had become overly dependent on cheap money. Well, I don't believe we'll have a crisis, but certainly there's going to be an adjustment. But the longer we wait, the more difficult the adjustment can be.
Yellen will testify before US lawmakers later this month in what is expected to be her first public appearance as head of the Fed, commenting on monetary policy and the economy.
So help you God.